I'm focused. I've been watching for the omens. I've been listening to everything you said. It's been running through my head, locked and loaded. I got the fit.
What's going on, everybody? Today is the day. Battle of the Fullsize going down in about 30 minutes. 2:30. We're setting up here in about 20-30 minutes. All the racers, spectators fixing to start coming in. So check it out. We're gonna record your trucks, setup and everything, so we can show you a badass race event. So stay tuned, check out all the racing, and wait for the second video that we're gonna be dropping also with all the highlights of the event. So let's get it.
Oh, yeah, I've only just begun. I won't stop until it's done, till you're broken. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire.
¿Qué onda, Rosa? Ya saben, ya estamos listos, ya está la línea. Son exactamente las 2:30 y hay como unos 20 trocas ya con trailers. Si se lo perdieron, ustedes saben, pero aquí hay payouts, hay carreras mamalonas todo el día. 22,000 payout. 22,000 plus, porque todavía es un poquillo más. 22,000 to payout. Battle of the Fullsize 2024. Déjense venir, Rosa, aquí andamos. Ya saben, después de Full Throttle, hierro. So whenever you turn before the circle track, if you want to go to the circle track and unload there, he's got the, from as soon as you come out of the circle track, the first spot's on the left right.
Been waiting for this moment, the final battle of the chosen. See, I'm never gonna quit, got my legacy set in motion. So welcome to the fire. I'm the one with the lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire. Flame that burning.
Ya están dando todo el pedo. Las casillas ya andan aquí. Una troca nueva que traen para los 6 ceros. Va a estar bueno. ¿Saben, Raza? Battle of the Fullsize 2024, aquí andamos. No sé, Fishing Class, que ya la conocen. Vamos a darle.
Homie in the house. Homie in Pasadena Speed Shop.
Hey, if you're not here, you're missing out on another good show. But we'll see you next year.
The lighter. Flame that burning through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. So welcome to the fire. Welcome to the fire.
Check it out, Michelada Chamolin in the house. There are new vendors.
Hey, compadre, we don't do too many racing events, but whenever we do racing events, it's gotta be con el compa Papi Payo, Full Throttle.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Appreciate the support, man.
if you guys like trucks, you like racing, you like micheladas, this is the place to be, man.
Yo.
Hey, people, come on. It's going to be a great show over here. Full Throttle promotion. But basically, nos vamos a llevar el show. Así nomás.
Through your veins as we're walking through the flames, getting higher. Bigger they are, harder they fall.
550. 550 right here. Aldo, cuelgue, ya andamos haciendo. Ya los compas de arriba también puestos.
Viene trayendo la calabaza. Van a traer otras 3 o 4. Ya están Molinas Performers.
Sponsors de la All Out Class. Ya. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. It's all the setup we're doing. Stay tuned for the next one. It's fixing to get crazy. We got all the drivers parking back here. So that's the next video. So go check it out after this one. You're gonna see all the highlights for that for the event. And if you ain't here, you're missing out. So get it.